Login failed on Stockpile Fix. You open the Stockpile app, ready to buy or gift some fractional shares, but instead of logging in, you get that dreaded login failed message. Don't worry, this happens to many users, and fixing it takes just a few steps. First, check your connection. Stockpile relies on a strong, stable internet connection to communicate with its servers. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggling airplane mode to reset your network. If your connection drops mid-login, the app won't authenticate your credentials. Next, check for app updates. Outdated versions of Stockpile often cause login conflicts when new security updates roll out. Go to your App Store or Google Play, find Stockpile, and tap Update. Then close and reopen the app. If your connection and app are fine, focus on your login details. Sometimes autofill or save passwords can input old or incorrect credentials. Try typing your email and password manually. If that fails, tap Forgot Password to reset it quickly through the official login page. If the issue continues, clear your app's cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Stockpile, and select Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app achieves the same result. Hashed data can become corrupted, blocking successful logins. Another common cause is admin interference. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Stockpile servers can sometimes flag apps as suspicious for security reasons. Lastly, sometimes the issue is on their end. Stockpile occasionally experiences brief downtime during system updates. Waiting 15 minutes and trying again often resolves it automatically. So if your Stockpile app says login failed, don't stress. Check your network, update the app, verify your credentials, clear the cache, and turn off your VPN. In most cases, you'll be back trading or gifting stocks in no time.